Alright guys, well, it's time to start making the hot boy start looking like a hot boy. So we're gonna get some body panels on there. I got some supposedly Origin Labs from Haitian. It actually looks pretty good, so it might be Origin Labs. I got front fenders, type 3s. I got rear fenders, type 3s. We're gonna try to start mounting this. I mean, it's gonna be a lot of trimming and cutting and stuff to try to get it right, but we're gonna make it happen. So I'm gonna get started right now. I'm not gonna record all of it because it's pretty annoying to take it off, put it back on, take it off, put it back on, trim it. You guys want to see that. You guys want to see what it look like when it's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some trimming and stuff, and when I'm putting it on for like almost the final time, I'll start showing you guys how it is. Why?
You're all over the left lawn and then you add a video.
Wait, hold up. Alright. Make sure line up. It's the body line I really care about. Yeah, the one over here. I'm good. Thank you. Push. My shit gonna look better than Haitian hot boy car, bro. That's the goal, so that's why I'm going this extra mile.
Oh, with the cap police. Yeah, this nigga capping. I'm not one to stick.
I'm trying to open now. I gotta get the backside.
Bro, you do that every time and you pull a hernia, bro. You too old, bro. Stop. You too old, bro.
Hey, Shane! Hey, Shane! Like this for me. A damn CNC machine. Oh my God. Oh my God. Go hit it, bro. Like butter, baby, like butter.
Ooh.
I didn't like butter, man. Look at that.
No problem.
Hell yeah. Hey Shane, I want my money back, bruh. Stressful. Have a good time. I mean, it looked like something,
Look like something.
but they ain't doing that. I mean, I just want to burn out about We're not even close to doing burnout. Not bad.
You know, it's funny, it was running great before you took it all apart.
Training is bad.
Oh, well, that's because you decided to do a burnout. Like,
Hey, unless the reverse solenoid's bad.
that's possible, right?
Yeah.
Use your stick before you yell at me about
Yeah, bro. You walked off my stick, bro. I popped the hood, bro. I'm like, what the fuck, man?
it. I've been there and checked, man. You see, I handed me the stick.
Hey, put more fluid. Hey, he walked off with my stick again. I'm confused. I'm like, that's what he is. Nick! Hey! One more time for walking up my stick, bro. You don't stop walking up my stick, bro. Hey, work? Look out. Oh, yeah. Oh, nah, that feels good. If I could get it to push in like that. Oh, my God. That right there. Hey, Nick, come here.
Huh?
Come here.
Yo.
Open the hood. It's a zip tie. Pull the zip tie. That's it right there. You hold that motherfucker right there. Close that motherfucker, man. Woo! Damn, the front touching a little bit.
Yeah, it is.
I need some heat.
You right.
Maybe it's hitting the wheels.
This one close too.
This one ain't got no thing, though.
Jesus Christ. You don't got no front on either side.
Nah, man. I'm gonna have to make some brackets to hold that thing.
You know what it is? It's
What?
got forging, man. Haitian got you on this, bruh.
Hey, Shane! I want my money back, bro. Look at that. I made it fit. Now we gotta get that other one to tip it up. The whole man, lead a body man right now. Yes, sir. That size can fit now, though. Cameraman here, but he ain't cameramanning. And we doing some things, baby. We getting this fitment right, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Nick
yeah.
out here, we got the new mic. We got buddy over there that can't make 600 in his Mazda. Sucker.
Losing all kinds of money
Check this
coming in.
fitment out, man. We getting there. We getting back to this hot boy status. Ooh. Nah, Nick. You see the other side better? You gotta load it. This coilover gotta load it. Nah, you gotta. No, bro.
Listen,
I already did the other coilover. You gotta do this coilover, man.
Listen. Why you didn't do both of them?
It was late, bro. It was like 12 o'clock, bro.
You're making excuses.
Nah, actually, all I had to do was cut this one side. Which this is the fitment, guys. See that? Look, they ain't even touching it. I only did this side.
What?
No, bro, because I was cutting the fender and I need to see how I needed to cut, Nick.
What?
Dang. Got me yelling at the camera people, man. My bad, kids. I'm sorry for yelling.
Fix the damn coil over, Nick.
Hey,
It's ready.
tell my channel why the Mazda 3 ain't making
Bro.
600, bro.
It's
This
a
man
Ma-
bet me
it's a
$50.
Mazda Speed 3.
Nah,
Yes, I got
nah,
my face,
nah,
bro.
nah, nah.
I got my face, bro.
He bet me $50 say his Mazda gonna
Okay,
make
okay.
600, bro.
Okay, but we're about to
It
do a
ain't
last
making
pull right
600,
now.
bro.
Come on. Let's
Nah.
go with it. Come on.
Let me go show you how I would have made, bro. No, I want my $50. I want my $50, bro. Hey, so this was right before, and he's like, yo, it's gonna make 600. Next tune come in.
Bro, we just flashed him
I'm
up.
$50 richer, man.
We just flashed him up. Let's go. Let's go. The map's on there.
Well, guys, the results in. Looks like this fool over here owe me $50. His tuner tried to put more time in, I can tell. And look at that. It made even less power. Tell him to go back to the other map. Tell him to go back to the other map, Fabo. You ready, cameraman?
Yeah.
You clean the lens?
Yeah. Nah.
Okay. Let's
Yo,
go.
ready? Take one.
Action. All right. Go on, showing this thing.
It's not the same now, man. You gotta do it a thousand times.
Woo! Y'all see that? It ain't even line yet, man. Dang, but hey, why the front hiding? Oh man, look at that. Look at that. This is it right here, bro. This is it. This is all of it right here. This is all Hot Boy about, man. Find out about if we finna pull up and ruin y'all next year, man.
I don't know about that.
Hey, this got them powered by Max, so they don't flex, you know.
We need a little bit more.
Alright guys, so this is where we at with the look right now. It's like 90% there. We're missing a front bumper, which I didn't order yet because I'm procrastinating if I really want to do that bumper or not. Might steal Haitian's bumper, but this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure you share with everyone so we can get this channel going. Also, don't forget, we still have the giveaway card going. We're under 80 spots left, I believe. Link in the description with all the info, how you can enter down there. See you guys next video.